Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with a site plan and permits approved by local maritime authorities. Survey underwater soils and place piling to 30 feet depth using driven steel piles. Construct a circular concrete caisson with 20 feet diameter and 200 cubic yards of concrete. Seal the caisson and pump out water to create a dry work chamber for base work. Install 50 tons of reinforced rebar and pour a 6-foot thick foundation slab. Allow concrete to cure for 28 days before building the tower above. Build a tapered tower of marine-grade concrete or steel reaching 60 feet above mean sea level. Design internal stairs and a 3-foot wide maintenance platform every 15 feet for access. Apply cathodic protection and epoxy coatings to resist corrosion in saltwater environments. Install a 500-watt solar array and 200-Ah battery bank to power lighting and systems. Ventilation and dehumidifiers prevent condensation and extend equipment life inside the tower. Include a watertight hatch and inflatable fenders to protect during storms and waves. Mount a rotating Fresnel lens or LED lantern to achieve a 15 nautical mile light range. Program a characteristic flash pattern and backup lamp to meet navigation chart requirements. Add an automatic foghorn with 120 dB output and a manual override switch on deck. Provide a 25% reserve power margin and remote telemetry for status and fault alerts. Schedule biannual inspections for structural bolts, coatings, and electrical connections. Train crew for safe transfers by boat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.